So currently we're actually printing face shields for the essential workers that are in the medical fields. This originally started out as an additive manufacturing class. A friend of mine, students of mine, and our dean were also inquiring all about the same time. And it just so happened that we had this NSF grant for advanced manufacturing, and we had just set up this actual print lab. All the machines that you see here are part of our program that we've been doing, and it just worked out that around the world, from Europe to Asia, all the way over here, they've been producing and creating PPE with 3D printing for the workers that are dealing with the COVID-19. Our original estimates for this was we could do anywhere between 10 and 30 a day, but on our first 2 days here, we actually found that we were getting closer to 50 a day. So currently, in the 7 days that we've been here now, we're over 500 printed face shields, and now we're just processing them to be stored before we can ship them out. There are roughly 19 different sites requesting PPE along the Puget Sound. They would be going to places like Valley Medical or nursing care facilities. In that critical role right there, we're hoping to help combat the COVID-19 pandemic and supplying our workers around us that are actually at the front lines with this safety against the virus itself.